I started Redpoint in 2010. My focus was really on emerging construction and technology. We try to leverage technology very hard in our day-to-day operations, including the technology provided by RDO. We've really ramped up our volume probably 2 or 3 times. A large part of that is due to RDO equipment. We do earthwork and underground utilities, heavy civil contractor. A lot of the SmartGrade solutions provided by RDO are integral to our operations. All of our equipment's GPS, the smart solutions for earthwork side of things, the total stations help us model projects, the 3D modeling. We do drone topography on our projects.
What happens is whenever you bid a job, before we even touch it, we send our drone out. We fly the job, run our own topo. We process the information. You can be more educated on your bids. You can know exactly where you're at and be educated on your materials and quantities that way. RDO also is set up with people that build models. So if my guy can't build them fast enough and we're backed up, I send the information to RDO and they set it up and they'll build a model and send it right back to us. Plan changes, they'll adjust the model. It is the reason we use RDO so much is because the service and the response time is incredible. I'm not just saying that because we're sitting here. I'm telling you from right here, it is second to none.
This project's called Destination Gateway. It's a development agreement between the City of Mesa and Burge Ford. We're taking Williams Field and we're gonna widen it, set it up with new entrances, bus bay, and everything that you need to do to be able to set this area up for its future development with a new 24-inch water line that's gonna run from the intersection back here down through, stubbing into all these new properties to supply them with water. We're in the process of installing the pipeline so that we can bring the road and all the new concrete infrastructure back. Honestly, having trusted partners in this industry, you can't function without it. I mean, RDO's the type of company that'll go above and beyond when our equipment's broken down. They'll show up, they'll stay with us late. We'll make sure that things are getting running the next day and keep things moving. It's everything you could ask out of your trade partners. I really like the way a lot of the technology is going. What we're seeing now with augmented reality, remote workstations for equipment, and all of the things that you see kind of out on the fringe that are starting to come in right now. Driverless scrapers, like there's all kinds of stuff that's honestly really neat and you can really nerd out on.
I really like working with RDO because they have the system where if something's going bad with the machine, it will pop on the screen and pop the codes that are wrong with it. They'll see it in their office and they can help us address the issue right away. On the excavator, the one that we use the most is the 345 on this project. That's a big machine. It has all the attachments that you can use on any project. RDO is pretty good with all the attachments. They have the hydraulic hammers, everything we can really need on a project.
Being in this my whole life, the technology has gotten so much better from John Deere and Topcon. They've systematically improved it, second to none. I've seen the other systems, they haven't improved anything. It's still exactly the same as it was 10 years ago. With the SmartGrade 772 or 622, you can take the blade and roll the moldboard forward. It holds the grade extremely well. I mean, within a couple hundredths. The technology has just surpassed what I could ever think.
The Phoenix market is such an exciting place to be for construction. We have 2 of the largest construction projects in the world right now going on in the valley. There's a ton of industrial going on. There's a ton of warehouse distribution for internet companies that need headquarters to distribute their goods all over the country, and they're picking Phoenix as the spot to be.
Arizona is continuing to grow. Everyone runs technology. This younger generation, we've helped adapt the machines with this technology to assist them to where they can be efficient. It's really positive to watch this state continue to grow.